Yeah, you better believe it. Better believe it. Better believe it. Wait. You better believe it. You better believe it. Better believe it. Yeah. You better believe it. I'm back with the genius. They making it.
Hello, Linda. How are you?
Hi.
Yes, so we are out here at your lovely community.
Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Tell us a little bit about what you have going on today.
Well, this neighborhood, Gatsby, we're right in the heart of downtown Minthill, and we have a total of 49 townhomes in here. So we're down to the last 6 opportunities, and they're all ready to move in.
Nice.
And as you can tell, these are all 3-story townhomes with 9-foot ceilings on each floors, with really open, wide space, with linear modern fireplace and shiplap design with a wood mantle, and a huge gourmet kitchen, as you can tell, with a oversized kitchen island, granite countertop, gas stove, because a lot of new construction now, townhomes are electric. So you have gas stove and a huge pantry, walk-in pantry, which is really hard to find in a townhome. You want to come over here and check out. It's a walk-in. And plus you have a butler's pantry too. So love these floor plans. 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. You can't beat it. With
Nice.
2-car garage.
Wow.
And lower taxes in Charlotte, because it's only 20 minutes to uptown Charlotte.
Okay. And how much of the HOA dues?
$225 a month.
Okay.
So that's include the maintenance of the exterior of the building, which it consists of bricks and hardy planks and 30 years architectural shingles, and also the maintenance of the common area, which is grass, and also including the sidewalks and the lights, and also the irrigation.
Good.
Yeah.
What are the price points out here, Linda?
So starting at, we have one that's going to be $399.9, but all the way up to $450, and that will be the end unit, and they're private and back up into tree safe area.
Nice. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Linda. This is a beautiful unit. I am going to do a tour.
Okay.
A full tour of the home, of the townhome actually. And we definitely will send our buyers out to you, and I know you're going to help them.
That's fantastic. And thank you so much for coming.
Absolutely. Thanks for having us. This is actually a bedroom downstairs that has a full bath. It's currently being used as an office. This large walk-in closet.
I'm back with the genius, they making agreements. We want it all, my standard procedure, declare and decree it. I mean it, you better believe it. Something like butter, I spread out the bread in the bucket. I swish and I kiss Lady Luck like I love her, ain't humble. I'm bringing the rain and the thunder. You ain't taking no risk, you ain't finna win like this. I shoot, don't miss. Coupe ain't got no tints. 9 times out of 10, I'm winning. 10 times out of 10, I'm in it. Time's up for your small opinion. 10 times 100K, million. Yeah, you better believe it. Better believe it. Better believe it. Yeah. You better believe it. Better believe it. Better believe it. Yeah. You better believe it. I'm back with the genius. They making agreements. We want it all. My standard procedure, declare and decree it. I mean it. You better believe it. Came with the fire like Phoenix. Standard attire, designer, demeanor. Serena, I'm serving, I'm working, I'm hurting. The haters inspire the dreamers. You ain't taking no risk. You ain't finna win like this. I shoot, don't miss. Coupe ain't got no tints. Coupe ain't got no tints. See through all that shit. I don't pay to play. Like a scholarship. Yeah, you better believe it. You better believe it. You better believe it. Wait. You better believe it. You better believe it. You better believe it. Yeah. Yeah. You better believe it. You better believe it. You better believe it. Wait. You better believe it. You better believe it. You better believe it. Yeah. Yeah, you better believe it. Better believe it. Better believe it. Wait. You better believe it. You better believe it. Better believe it. Yeah. You better believe it. I'm back with the genius. Ain't making agreements. We want it all. My standard procedure. Declare and decree it. I mean it. You better believe it. Sun like butter. I spread out the bread in the bucket. I swish and I kiss Lady Luck like I love her. Ain't humble. I'm bringing the rain and the thunder. You ain't taking no risk. You ain't finna win like this. I shoot, don't miss. Coupe ain't got no tints.